Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to change username on Snapchat before 1 year. So let's head over to our Snapchat. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile. Now go to edit profile. Go to your settings and here go to username. So here you can't change your username once in a year. So if you have changed it already and you want to change it again, you have to go to this support. So go to help center. It may take some while to load according to your network connection. So once in there, you have to search for I want to, or just search the problem. Change username before 1 year. So here you go to Snapchat support and then they will help you out. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.